Hello, I'm Kevin Harrington, an original shark from Shark Tank. Breathe better with AirPhysio's international award-winning OPEP device.
Millions of people suffer from respiratory problems. AirPhysio has created an award-winning OPEP device that helps improve your breathing by assisting your body's natural cleaning process. Our portable, long-lasting, drug-free device clears mucus, promoting optimal hygiene in the lungs, and restores lung capacity. It helps reduce breathlessness during exercise, increase exercise tolerance, and speed up recovery times after working out.
Thank you, AirPhysio. I had no idea this would work so well.
I really didn't expect to have a change like this. It works like magic.
Seriously, big difference already by day 3.
You can feel it straight in your lungs right here. It feels really good knowing that I have this with me at any time, that I could just use it if I'm feeling out of breath, if I'm feeling clogged up. I didn't think that something so simple could make such a huge impact.